Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 75th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about autocomplete attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML, which represents HTML5. Now we'll start with HTML tag, body tag, h2 tag, now we'll end h2 tag. Now we'll start form tag, first name, input type equals to text, name equals to fname, and the autocomplete attribute specifies whether a form or an input field should have autocomplete on or off. So here we write fname. Now br tag. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line, and we'll make necessary changes. Website, here we write email. Input type equals to email. Input type equals to submit, name equals to submit, and now we'll end the form tab, body tab, and HTML tag. So now we'll save it as 75 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. We'll go to HTML folder and we'll click on here when we click on first name it will appear Vikram. Here we'll type our website name. Once you will enter all the elements, and in second time you will get autocomplete element like first name I have already entered, and email also you can click on and it will show the autocomplete attribute, and it will directly fills the space of email like whatever you got email, and the name also just by clicking on it. So this is the basic output of 75th program, and don't forget to check the tags in description.